Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitHub Actions, automate workflows and repositories step by step clearly. To log into GitHub Actions, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the GitHub website at www.github.com. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner. Enter your username or email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click on the Sign In button to access your GitHub account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your GitHub dashboard. Locate and click on the specific repository for which you want to set up GitHub Actions. Inside the repository, navigate to the Actions tab, which is usually found near the top of the page. You will see a variety of workflows available, or a prompt to set up a new workflow. To create a new workflow, click on the New Workflow button. You can choose from a starter workflow template or set up a workflow from scratch. If you select a template, review the predefined steps and customize as necessary. For a custom workflow, edit the YAML file according to your project's needs. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, commit your changes by clicking the Start Commit button. After committing, your workflow will be set in motion automatically on the conditions specified. To monitor the status of your workflows, return to the Actions tab. Here, you can view logs, investigate failures, and see successful runs. This is how you can log into GitHub Actions and automate workflows in your repositories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.